Hey Alex, what's up?
Hey Zach, do I have any appointments this afternoon?
Yeah, you have a 2 p.m. with G Reaper.
G Reaper? I don't remember setting that up.
I don't know. That's what it says on your calendar.
Oh, it's on the calendar, it must be right. How seasonal? Hi, are you G Reaper? Okay, well, come in. Have a seat. Great, and what's the G for? Is it Gary? And so I understand that you're looking for some homes in Montgomery County? Well, I have a few here that I'm kind of excited about. I wanted to share these with you and show you what we have available. Have you been pre-approved for a loan? That's great. A couple of these properties I'm actually really excited about. Specifically this one over here. This one's a great one. Do any of these excite you? That one. Okay, that's a great one. You want to put in an offer on that property? Now. Okay, so I happen to know the agent for that property. I can give him a call and get some information, try to get you a little bit more information about the property. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, look, we can find a solution that's mutually beneficial. Hey, you don't need to. Customer. Friendly guy.
I was jamming through the graveyard round 12:05. I saw a ghost and